$80,000 approved. Here's how to do it. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott, and in today's video, we're going to be covering the Lightstream play and how you can get up to $80,000, maybe even $100,000 at a very low interest rate by using this Lightstream play. All that you might need are pay stubs, and I got you on that. If you have questions, feel free to book a call. Now, here is the proof that someone could definitely get up to $80,000. There was no proof required for this particular customer, and they got $80,000 deposited into their bank account. And no, I do not charge a percentage like most of these companies and funding experts or credit gurus, however you want to categorize them. I do not charge a fee. I give you the information that you need to know, not what you want to hear, okay? And not everyone might qualify for this play immediately, but it is still something that you can work towards. Now, this play is done directly through Lightstream. Lightstream is a division of SunTrust Bank. So as you may know, SunTrust Bank and BB&T, they merged and became Truist. But Lightstream is a division of SunTrust Bank. They provide personal loans for pretty much anything. You can get personal loans for an auto, a kitchen remodel, debt consolidation, a swimming pool, medical, wedding, whatever you might need a personal loan for, Lightstream is going to do it. But the best way about doing it is through the hack that I'm going to show you now. So make sure to watch this entire video, okay? And most importantly, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Give me a huge thumbs up. Let me know you are here by commenting below. Now, you're going to select auto loan in this case. Why? Because anytime you get a personal loan and it is secured, it is going to be a much lower interest rate. In this case, they think the loan is going to be secured by an auto. So if you were to default, they can just come and grab that auto and possibly resell it and make some of their money back. But Lightstream is a personal loan company. So either way, the way that they look at it is this is a personal loan. And if you go through it the way that I'm going to be showing you, we're going to be applying for the personal loan, and that's going to be purchased through an individual. So you're going to go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page here. The loan purpose, again, is used auto purchased from an individual. That way they'll direct deposit the money into your bank account. You're going to select the loan amount. Now, if you have never had a loan over $20K, I would probably keep this under $30,000 because you don't have what's called comparable credit. You can try to push the limits and go towards that $47,000, $50,000 range, but they might want pay stubs just because you have a thin credit profile or you don't have comparable credit on your credit profile. Now, if you have comparable credit, say you had an auto loan, or heck, you even had student loan that was $20K or better, then you've already had comparable credit. So you can go for $60,000 or $80,000, no problem. Now, if they do require pay stubs and you don't have any, you can book a call and I can see if I can help you. I've been able to help a lot of people, and no, I don't charge a percentage of what you get approved for like most sharks do out there, because this is a pretty easy peasy approval for you on the personal side. Now, Lightstream is going to be pulling from TransUnion. All right, they are looking for at least a 700 credit score with TransUnion. The higher, the better. If you don't quite have a 700, but you do have a fairly clean credit profile, meaning you don't have any derogatories, no collections, no charge-offs, then we can add a trade line. That's going to boost up your credit score, so that way you'll get better approvals. Even with a decent 720 or so credit score, you're probably looking at a 13 to 14% interest rate. Now, the person here that got 80,000, they got a 5.34% interest rate. Now, they did have close to like a 750 credit score, so they had a little bit of a higher credit score score, and they also had some comparable credit. So what we're going to do is we're going to put 80,000 right here. Okay. We're going to click see my rate. Now, of course, you're going to have a hefty payment that comes along with it. So if you don't plan to buy an auto, you plan to do something else with these funds, just ensure that you pay this payment back on time. Okay. You cannot be late. You cannot miss a payment. It is imperative that you pay this on time. Even if you're just trying to get a high limit trade line for your credit profile, maybe invest in your credit so you can have higher limit trade lines on the personal side so you can get better business qualified credit. This is a great play for that as well, because you could potentially take these funds, this $80,000, and you can go do a pledge loan or a secured loan with 2 or 3 different credit unions for $80,000. And that way you're adding multiple high limit trade lines, primary trade lines to your credit. You can even add a co-borrower to your pledge loans, aka secured loans, and that can be with Navy Federal, it can be with Apple Federal Credit Union, it can be with Teachers Federal Credit Union, it can be with a number, even PenFed, but with PenFed, the money does need to sit in your savings account for 30 plus days. So every pledge loan / secured loan is a little bit different with each bank. So make sure to ask the questions that are important. A, can I add a co-borrower? Number 2, is the money still going to be accessible in my checking account and fully available to me? So the next step is to go ahead and pick the monthly payment that's going to be best for you. Now, I always recommend going with the lowest payment possible, and you can always pay more against it if you want to, right? But this is going to be, of course, a little bit of a higher percentage. If you were looking for a lower APR, then you would have to select a lower term, but do what's best for you. I always want to recommend selecting the lowest payment, and then you can always pay more as you go on. So go ahead and click on apply, and then you're going to go ahead and put in the basic requirements. Again, they're going to be pulling from TransUnion. They want at least a 700 credit score. You want to make sure that you use all of the information inside of the school community. Okay. All of the, directions, the steps are in here. Okay. You, again, be creative. All right. You can totally get this approved. This would be an extra $50,000 to $80,000 that you can use to invest in your business. You want to make sure that you put your household income. Okay. If you are looking for a higher limit, credit something, whatever it's credit account, credit, loan, credit card, you need to make sure that the household income matches that, and the bank would feel comfortable lending to someone with that income. Now, if you put down that you want, a $65,000 auto loan, but your household income is only $80,000, do you honestly think that the bank is going to feel confident lending to someone who wants a $65,000 loan, but only makes $80,000 a year? Probably not. Okay. They just don't quite make enough to be able to qualify for that. So that's why it's important when you come to the income part of things to make sure, okay, this is the number that we're going to be looking for, that a bank was essentially be comfortable with. Okay. Essentially a 2-person household income. All right. $165K is what this particular person put down to get the $80,000 auto loan. Proof of income, if you are not able to provide it, of course, you can always, I don't want to say it, I just can't say it on YouTube, but you can make it happen. If you need to know more, then you can always book a call, but this is the type of information we give you inside of Lightstream. And I don't want you guys to think that we're being misleading. I'm certainly not telling you to put lies or, to deceive this or play the system, but I'm showing you how to kind of get around it. But yet I'm telling you, you still have to pay this. You have to pay it on time. Don't try to run off on the plug because it's not worth it. They will sue you. They will get their money. And it's just, we don't want to do that. We don't want to ruin it for everybody else. So this play is probably limited. So if you are looking for funding, this is a great way to get a nice chunk of money that can help you start your business, expand your business, buy things for your business, whatever you need to do with this funding that can help you generate revenue to pay this whole thing back. Because at the end of the day, it is a personal loan. Okay. So that's why a lot of times Lightstream isn't really too much asking for like the vehicle information, because they're a, personal loan company. So they're just kind of looking at this like a type of personal loan. Even though you're getting a lower interest rate because it's secured, it's kind of like a little hack that you would want to use to get a lower interest personal loan by saying it's an auto loan, essentially. And no, they don't ask for any sort of proof. They simply put the money in your bank account, and then you're responsible for paying your payments back on time. They're going to report to the credit bureaus. You can always get the inquiry removed, but this is how you go about it. The application type is going to be an individual, okay? And then you're going to go ahead and just put used auto purchase from an individual. How did you hear about us? You can just put, Truist, because that's essentially the bank that became SunTrust and BB&T. And your zip code you're going to put in there. All of this other information is filled in. It's always going to be auto pay, and then you can take a screenshot of this, because this essentially is the directions, and you want to just follow the directions, guys. And that's what generated this $80,000 approval. And you can get less if you want less. Less is always going to be easier. If you're asking for less than 50,000, chances are they probably won't request, pay stubs or any sort of proof documents. But again, if you do need pay stubs, feel free to book a call, and I can kind of give you my feedback on what might be your best situation and how I can help you potentially get approved for funding. Again, you pay for the coaching. You don't pay a percentage with me, because I try to give you, the realistic expectations, unlike funding companies who want to charge you a percentage of whatever they get you approved for. So if I charged somebody 10% of $80,000, that's $8,000, and for some people that might be totally worth it, but it's like, I don't want someone to be in that much debt for just me helping them get funding. Okay. So thank you for watching. I hope you get the funding that you need with just this information in this video. You can also comment the word kit or go into the description and get my free credit kit that has a ton of value in it. And if you like this information, feel free to join the credit community. We have an entire classroom section where you're going to have access to all of the previously recorded calls. I've had a ton of guests come on and talk about their success with business funding, credit, all of those sort of things. And you're going to get access to all of these replays. So it's not like other communities where you don't get access to all the replays. We talk about personal credit, business credit, how to start a credit repair business, how to do credit repair, how to get funding, how to get high limit approvals, trade lines. You get discounts on trade lines, digital products, so much. So definitely join the credit community. This month we're going to be jam-packed full of value, and if you miss this month, all of the replays will be inside of the classroom section. So until next time, my friends, take action. Most importantly, watch the video coming up next.